All right, for tomorrow for remote learning, they just have 5 activities to do, okay? So last week we talked and we were lowering how much work we were sending home just from our admin. So they will have everything assigned to them at 8 o'clock. So everything will pop up at 8 o'clock. They'll have a December check-in. They'll have their foundations, which they click on the link, and then they add their response when they're finished. They have their wonders. Click on the link and add their response when they're finished. They have their Engage New York, their math lesson. And then they also have, with foundations, their word of the day. Okay, and then at 12:30 we will Zoom, and I will send that link out tomorrow morning. Okay, so if you have any questions, feel free to send me a message on Seesaw. A lot of you guys texted me last week. Anything you guys need, just let me know, okay? Remember, all of your QR codes and everything are in their blue folder, okay? Everything that they need is behind their calendar. I put the new calendars in for this month, okay? Make sure you check those. And then also, if you have any questions, please let me know. Have a great evening. Bye, guys.